That's politics, baby.
And then on top of that, they put the Haitian flag forward, and
And that's the thing.
they're hiding behind the Haitian flag.
That's the thing,
So it
Junior.
even hurt the community even more.
That's the
Now,
thing, Doc.
but the thing is, there's a new group of young people, and we are extremely educated. So most of us have doctorate degrees, law degrees, accounting degrees,
Master's degrees, yeah.
financial degrees, all kind of degrees, and we've been watching these elders for a long time,
Right.
governing our own community, and so far we haven't got anything.
And that's what's frustrating, right? Because
Absolutely.
when you look at me, I'm a person that I strive in excellence, right? I like nice things,
We all
right?
do.
And
We
to
all do.
and for our community to be always like, and pardon the expression, because this is the only way I could truly express it, to be such coconut, to be represented.
You shooting hard.
Oh no, I'm coming. I'm coming with the big gun.
I gotta wait.
Because when you
Can't
would
really go
no,
crazy yet.
no, when you no. No. Okay, we're gonna take a break, Judith, for you to regroup and to put yourself together. Okay, I'm gonna come. We're gonna take a break. We're gonna take a short break, and then when we come back, we're gonna get back on track, guys.